Alright, mo tún kí ẹ̀yin akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ káàbọ̀ sí gbàgede èdè Yorùbá pẹ̀lú ọ̀gbẹ́ni Taiwo. I'm welcoming you all to ọ̀gbẹ́ni Taiwo session where we teach ourselves how to speak, write and communicate in Yoruba language. Once again, my name is ọ̀gbẹ́ni Taiwo. Last time we met, I think I discussed about singular pronouns with you guys. But today we want to focus our attention on plural pronouns. Automatically, if we have singular, there must be the plural. So today's focus shall be on plural pronouns. Plural pronouns. In Yoruba, we call that ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ ọ̀pọ̀. Plural means ọ̀pọ̀. Ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ is pronoun. So we are going to discuss plural pronouns in Yoruba language. Alright, what's going to be our objective? Alright, our objective is that we should be able to explain the meaning of plural pronouns and to give various examples. And so, if time permits us, we're going to share how to use some of these plural pronouns in sentences. Okay, now ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ ọ̀pọ̀. Don't forget I said ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ. It means plural pronouns. Plural pronouns. Ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ ọ̀pọ̀. Okay, so it means ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ ni à ń lò dípò ọ̀rọ̀ orúkọ Yorùbá. Ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ ni à ń lò dípò ọ̀rọ̀ orúkọ Yorùbá. That means we use pronouns to replace nouns in a sentence. For example, say this example, say Ade is a boy. Ade is a boy. Ade is a noun. So we can replace that Ade because Ade is a boy. So we can replace Ade with E. So that means E is a pronoun. Don't forget that's a singular pronoun. But after we replace with E, the sentence becomes he is a boy. But if there are more than one, for example, we have Samuel, David, and Tade. Samuel, David, and Tade are coming. So instead of us to say Samuel, David, and Tade, we can simply use they for the three guys. That is Samuel, David, and Tade. We can use they for the three of them. That makes our sentence to become they are coming, and such sentence is called a plural pronoun. A plural pronoun. Don't forget I said ọ̀pọ̀ means many, or plural. Plural means ọ̀pọ̀. Alright, don't mind my music sound. Anyways, right, you can see the table. This table is showing us the subject, the object, and possessive pronoun. First plural, second plural, and third plural. Now, subject means Olúwa. Subject means Olúwa. So the first plural pronoun in a position of a subject is we. We. Lédè Yorùbá, we call that àwa. 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 Take note of that. Àwa. Or simply you can make it a. By the time I use some of this in sentences, you will understand better. So first person singular plural pronoun. Plural pronoun, don't forget that, is we. Àwa. You can see that is more than one. You say àwa. And if it is in the object, we call it us. Wa. The possessive is has. Tiwa. Tiwa. In the second person's plural pronoun, second person plural pronoun, automatically we have you, meaning ẹ̀yin, 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 or ẹ̀yin, or you use ẹ̀yin ni, you are meaning you. Alright, and if it is you want to use it in an object position, it will be ni. In possessive pronoun, that is yours. Yours. Tiyín ni. It is yours. Yours. Tiyín. The third person, that is they, and the meaning in Yoruba is àwọn, or you say wọ́n, àwọn, wọ́n, and in the object position we have them. This is wọ́n. If you take note of that, it's as if we can use the first letter. For example, this awa, you can use a, and when it comes to the object, use wa. So that's a little bit tricky anyways, but at least along the line you get how we use all these things. So awa, ẹ̀yin, àwọn, they can also function as subject and object. It depends on the usage and the way you want it to sound. So for example, awa, a, so we can also use awa both in subject and object position. All right, now let's go to some examples of plural pronouns in a sentence. For example, we, don't forget that one is we is first person plural pronoun. First person plural pronoun in the position of a subject, right? We are going, we are going, we are going. If I want to say that in Yoruba, we say àwa ń lọ, àwa ń lọ, or à ń lọ. Àwa mean we, meaning is or are. Simple present tense, don't forget. Àwa ń lọ, we are going, or à ń lọ. Àwa means we, ń lọ, we are going. We want to sleep, we want to sleep. Àwa fẹ́ sùn, or a fẹ́ sùn. Àwa meaning we, fẹ́ want, sleep means sùn. Àwa fẹ́ sùn, we want to sleep, or a fẹ́ sùn. We have two books, we have two books. Àwa ní ìwé méjì, or what? Can you complete the second? If you want to, if you don't want to say àwa, it can be what? Yes, a ní ìwé méjì. So you say àwa ní ìwé méjì, or a ní ìwé méjì. Or that is that about we. The second person, second person singular, plural, sorry. Second person singular, plural pronoun. Second person plural pronoun. That is you. You know, we have you as a singular and you as plural. So in this situation, it is you as plural. You as plural. So you are going, ẹ̀yin ń lọ, or you say ẹ̀ ń lọ, ẹ̀yin ń lọ, or ẹ̀ ń lọ. You want to sleep, ẹ̀yin fẹ́ sùn, or ẹ fẹ́ sùn. Ẹ̀yin fẹ́ sùn, or ẹ fẹ́ sùn. You have two books, you have two books. Ẹ̀yin ní ìwé méjì, or ẹ ní ìwé méjì. Take note of ẹ̀yin and ẹ. It's almost the same thing, just as we have àwa and a. And the third is they, àwọn, or wọ́n, àwọn, or wọ́n. They are going, àwọn ń lọ, or you say wọ́n ń lọ, àwọn ń lọ, or wọ́n ń lọ. They are the same thing. They want to sleep, àwọn fẹ́ sùn, àwọn fẹ́ sùn, or wọ́n fẹ́ sùn, àwọn fẹ́ sùn, or you say wọ́n fẹ́ sùn. They have two books, they have two books. Àwọn ní ìwé méjì, àwọn ní ìwé méjì, or wọ́n ní ìwé méjì. So just try to understand what we, you and they means and how to use them. We, àwa, or a, the first letter àwa, a. Àwa ń lọ, we are going. À ń lọ, it's the same thing. You are going, ẹ̀ ń lọ. They are going, wọ́n ń lọ. Is that clear? Okay. We also have more examples of a plural pronoun as object, So don't forget they are just three. We have us, you, them. And don't forget I said we can still use àwa, ẹ̀yin, and àwọn. We can use it as subject and object of a sentence. You can use àwa, ẹ̀yin, àwọn in Yoruba anyways. You can use it as subject and object. You see more of this in this example. The teacher beat us. The teacher beat us. You can say olùkọ́ nà àwa, or olùkọ́ nà wá. Olùkọ́ nà àwa. Àwa here also means us. Olùkọ́ nà àwa, or olùkọ́ nà wá. Akin is calling us. Akin ń pe wá or Akin ń pe àwa. Akin ń pe àwa or Akin ń pe wá. Okay, you. I know you. Èmi mọ ẹ̀yin. Or you say mo mọ̀ yín. Mo mọ ẹ̀yin or mo mọ̀ yín. We want to see you. Àwa fẹ́ rí ẹ̀yin. Àwa fẹ́ rí ẹ̀yin or a fẹ́ rí yín. Mind you, àwa, ẹ̀yin, àwọn. You know, in the previous slide, I said àwa means we. Ẹ̀yin, you. And àwọn, they. As you can use them as subjects, you can also use them in an object position. So don't be confused when you see some sentences that are using this àwa, ẹ̀yin, and àwọn in Yoruba language for you, us, and them. Right? We saw them. Àwa rí àwọn, we, meaning àwa. Saw, rí, that's past tense of see. Àwọn means them. Them. Àwa rí àwọn or a rí wọn. Àwa rí àwọn or a rí wọn. I know them. Èmi mọ àwọn or èmi mọ̀ wọ́n. It's the same thing. Èmi mọ àwọn. I, èmi. No, mọ̀. Them, àwọn. Èmi mọ àwọn or mo mọ̀ wọ́n. If you take note of this plural pronoun as subject, you can realize that there is a little slight difference in the tonation. Maybe our next topic will focus on tonation anyways. So you can see that there, for example, the teacher beat us. Olùkọ́ nà àwa. Or you say olùkọ́ nà wá. So assimilation and contractions of letters occurred, and that is why we are having changes in the tonation. Olùkọ́ nà àwa. If I want to put tonation of as I say olùkọ́ re do mi, nà re, àwa do re. But in the other sense we have olùkọ́ nà wá, re do mi. So between nà, àwa, something has happened, and that results to nà wá. Don't be surprised. I'm going to break everything down. You know, this is Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Taiwo for you. So everything that has to do with Yoruba will simplify it for you. Right? Okay. So possessive pronouns, we have just three. Tiwa ni, it is yours. Tiyin ni, it is okay. Tiwa ni, it is ours. Sorry for that. Tiwa ni, it is ours. Tiyin ni, it is yours. Tiwọn ni, it is theirs. Right? The summary. Plural pronouns are used to replace noun. Ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ ni a máa ń lò láti dípò ọ̀rọ̀ orúkọ, and it can be a subject and object. We have some of these as examples. And ọ̀rọ̀ arọ́pò orúkọ ní ipò oní nǹkan, that is as a possessive pronoun. If I explain more than that. Anyway, if you have any questions, you can just type it and get back to me. I'm going to answer you on this platform. So this is a question for you to answer. You can translate all these sentences into Yoruba language. Just forward to me. I'm going to mark and get back to you. All right. I believe you're enjoying Yoruba with Ọ̀gbẹ́ni Taiwo.